Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is our sixth session related to Python and we are going to continue the same chapter, that is chapter 3, data structure for us. So let's begin. Open your Python ideally, and today we are going to find out how to get the length of list and tuples. So we have discussed this earlier also. To get the length, we are going to use the predefined function len. Okay, so let me declare a list and tuple first of all. So I am declaring a list now. Okay, now I will declare a tuple. If we mention len a, that is the list, then we should get the output as 6. Why? Because here we have added 6 elements. Okay, so now hit enter and we got the output as 6. Now if we use len and b, this is for tuple, then we should get the output as 3 because here we have mentioned only 3 elements. Okay, now mention len b and hit enter. We have got the output as 3. Okay, now we will see how to get max value from lists and tuples. So we are going to use a predefined function max. Okay, so first of all, let's use this for list. We are going to mention max a. For this one, we should get an output of 6. Why? Because 6 is the maximum value. Okay, so if we now hit enter here, we are getting 6. For tuple, we should get the maximum value as 90876. So mention the same thing, max b, and we have got our output as 90876. So similarly, we can find out the mean value from lists and tuples. For that one, we are going to use mean function. Okay, so use mean a. This is for list. We should get the output as 1 because 1 is the mean value. Okay, if we use the same function for tuple, we should get the output as 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the output. Now we will see how to add new elements in a list. These functions will not work for tuple as tuple is non-mutable. Okay, so first of all, we are going to use append function. So if we mention a dot append, and suppose for an example 200, and then print a, what is the output we are getting? Initially, we created the list with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you can see we have added a new element as 200, and this 200 gets added at the end of the list. Okay, so now we have a new list element as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 200. So we have used here append function to insert a new element 200 in the predefined lists. Whether this function is going to work for tuple? No, it will not going to work for tuple. Why? Because tuple is non-mutable. Okay, so you can try by writing b dot append 200. You will get the error message as tuple object has no attribute append.